Hi everybody, this is your Commissioner Scott Jones speaking. Welcome to the 2010 fantasy football season. We got this thing started quickly. I know it's getting late. And, good luck to everybody. I already know the results, but I'm not going to reveal them. We're going to do this professionally. And let's start it off. Damien, can I have the first card, please? Thank you. Number 12 pick in the 2010 fantasy football draft goes to Mr. Mike Schifino. Welcome to the league. Thank you. The 11th pick in the draft goes to Steve DeSantis. Should have been here, buddy. Maybe you had a little better pick. Sir. 10th pick in the draft. Damian Vincent Pisani. Number 9. Oh, Mike DeSantis. Sorry, bud. You suck this year. This is your team. DeSantis experience sucks. Number 8. Number 8 pick goes to James Nugent. Aloha. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number 7. The 7th pick goes to yours truly, Scotty Jones. Championship. 6. The 6th pick is Devin Callanan out of Peabody.
Top 5.
Here's the top 5, ladies and gentlemen. Now this is going to get serious. Some things started to happen. Number 5. Or as they say, Cinco. Big Dick Bob Moriarty! Number 5. Congratulations. Answer my text messages. Number 4. I'd just like to make a note, too, that Paul Pisani hasn't been picked yet, so let's give it up for Paul. He hasn't, this is the highest he's ever had in his draft pick. It's usually around the 12, 11, 10 area. So the number 4 pick is Rye Guy Salter. Nice going, Uncle Rye.
Top 3.
Top 3. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Number 3. Paul Pisani. Good luck. This is getting intense.
Top 2.
Number 2. Number 2? All right. Let's see who it is. Number 2. Can only be 2 people, Vinny or Burke. Vinny Murphy. Oh, which only leaves one person in the draft. The number 1 pick goes to Mr. Brendan Berkey. Good luck, everybody. And I will be, I'll follow this up with a post showing the exact the draft. And little balls coming out of this thing. So you guys know I didn't cheat and give myself the 7th pick. And Damien the 10th pick. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the fantasy season.